Hello again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 14 by 14 inch canvas, some leftover paint, and an idea I want to explore. I'm going to put some electric blue from Arteza into my paint, and I'm also going to take a huge risk. First I'm going to put some of this hot orchid. Maybe I won't. Oh, maybe I will. What? It doesn't look like I've used it today. I think I've been using a different one. Oh well, that's Floetrol. It'll be alright. So hot orchid from Prison Pour, from Color Art, duh. And I'm looking for, yes, where'd it go? There it is. I don't know if I can get away with this, but we'll find out in a minute. I'm going to use some Meeden, M-E-E-D-E-N paint. You can find it on my Amazon link. Just going to put a puddle in the middle. Use my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula to give myself a little something moist to swipe over. And it's easy with this spatula. I've not done exactly this. I'm going to pour those residuals right down the middle. I'm going to even out my center strip first. I thought I would do it on one side and not both, but it looks like I'm going down the middle. So maybe I will. Maybe I'll do that. Plenty of paint there. I'm thinking I want something darker, but the black will probably help. I really do want some dioxazine purple, actually. And while we're at it, I want some gold. I could use silver. I've got some paint to use up on my spatula. I'll leave that. I might want it for the edges. Then I'm going to use a swipe card made out of some packaging. I think I'm going to start on the long side first. Cross your fingers for me, would ya? I want turquoise in there. And I have some, and it's still open. My scrape dish is going to get scraped into again. Now I can keep doing that, but I need to leave some paint on one side. I think I'm going to clean that off. I might be sorry about that. I might not. You can never tell. I think I'm going to go to my long side, and then I'll use my residuals. I might have to do something with that. This might be really different. Not necessarily the success I was hoping for, but we'll be alright. Pretty sure I can go back. I'm hoping I'm correct. I'm trying to get the residuals off my card. Oh, large lump of something. So I'm going there, so I need that on just that side. It's interesting, I guess. I'm going to throw a little more hot orchid in there. Scrape off my card again. My scrape dish is probably going right onto the Lolafi silicone mat tonight. Here's my card. Pull my tile over the edge. Use the residual on my card that would go to waste otherwise. And then I've got that paint that's on my spatula, perfect timing. I have to think about if I want to do something to that, and that's pretty cool. I might just try and torch first, see how I feel about it. I kind of like it. It's growing on me. Sometimes it takes a minute, and then I fall in love. It's definitely different. It makes me want to take a small card and run through some places and not others. My edges are now completely covered. I'm loving that, but the cells are tremendous. Sometimes I just cannot contain myself, and I need to take the edge of my spatula. Just add some things. Good thing that orange stayed kind of orange. And everything, yes, is everything covered? I'm going to torch. I'm going to tell you guys there's 93,000 of you guys subscribed, or pretty darn close if there isn't exactly. It's very close. Today it was 300 away, but this video is not going to be posted for a while. Yep, the longer I look at this, the more I like it. The cells are tremendous. Definitely recommend the Amsterdam Black with the 10 drops of Minwax pre-stained wood conditioner added into 2 ounces of mixed paint. That was my original formula, and I am pretty happy about it. I want to get rid of that mark. Don't ask me why. It's just bugging me. And the sushi has arrived, so perfect timing with the painting being done. It's Easter for us today, so that's our Easter dinner. I know, we're weird. It's okay. And I want a little bit more black right over here. Cover up that gray edge. I like the black. Alright, so I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Look at my Amazon link. It's on the link tree below the video. The link tree has Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. We'll show you tomorrow's video, and it's for students. Should you want to join us, we'd love to have you. Amazon link is, if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out. I think I mentioned that. 1,900 videos, and they're organized by the 100 and by topic and genre. And I hope that doorbell doesn't ring right now because I gotta go and get it. Thank you for the contributions that help keep me painting all this time. And if you want to be in the monthly drawing that happens on the first of the month, you need to go and find the PayPal and Patreon icons on my YouTube channel banner in the bottom right hand corner, or the links on the link tree. And if you make a contribution to help keep the studio making videos, then you'll be automatically entered. Thank you guys for the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted, and thank you for the donations that help keep me painting all this time. My email address is below the link tree. When you open Show More, you'll find the paint pouring recipe and my email address. And if you are interested in purchasing an artwork, please know that the hashtag and the file number in the title of the video will help me find what you're after. And you can just email me. Please give me a thumbs up, share my videos, watch them longer, watch when the notifications come out, and know that I love you. And you guys, look for my Teespring clothing under the video. It's spring now. Spring clothing. And if you can't find what you're looking for, just ask me. If you have questions, please ask me. And don't forget my paint pouring recipes under the video, under Show More. This is offset right now. Darn. I want to zoom in because this is the bomb. Those are some incredible cells. Lots and lots and lots and lots. All right, I love you guys. Bye for now. Priscilla out.